My name is William Lester, and I live at Dockery, Mississippi, and I've been making these calls for over 25 years. And a trumpet is like a wing bone because you draw air on it, but these trumpets that I designed all those years ago is different. They have baffles in them, or in the case of these cane calls that I make, they have carbon fiber arrows in them that allow you to control the sound. So when you're pulling air through a trumpet, you get that good harmonic note that's made easy because the trumpet has the carbon fiber arrows in it that slow the airflow down to your mouth, so that you're not making the harmonics on your lip, you're actually making the harmonics in the call. The call makes it for you when you pull on it like that. Trumpets are very good turkey calls because they're different. They aren't magic, but they're different. Turkeys like different sounds, and they like the sound of a trumpet. So if you have a trumpet, it's kind of like an insurance policy. You wear it around your neck. If they don't answer anything else, more than likely they'll answer this trumpet because they've never heard one before.